Okay, and our number 2 position is Allison Pryor. The reason she is so high up on my list is how she puts her videos out, one, and how she teaches is the second thing. She doesn't just have like 4-hour-long video. She puts them out in like smaller videos, like 20-minute sessions, where it would be very obtainable for you to finish one of her paintings. And you say like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I'm going to take these 20 minutes and I'm going to finish this painting instead of trying to do everything all at once. Sometimes that can be very overwhelming and frustrating. And I think sometimes working on something little by little, actually you can result in a better painting because you're just such a fresh frame of mind. A lot of the time when I am doing a painting, like not for my channel, if I'm doing a painting on my own, I'll take a couple days. Like I'll say I'm going to paint a little bit this day, or I'll break it up in between the day. I'll paint for 20 minutes here, 20 minutes there, and take breaks in between because it lets your mind kind of relax, your hands relax, and you don't get as frustrated as easily. Well, at least I don't. Anyway, so I really love that about her channel. I love that it's in like smaller doses. And I also, not that I love her personality, I do. She's a very kind person. And she goes out of her way to help other artists, which I think is so fantastic. That's part of the reason that she's so high up on my list, is that she makes it a priority to help other artists. I think that is something that a lot of people, not just artists, but in the YouTube community are lacking, is that they look at everybody as maybe like their competition. They look at people as their competition instead of like banding together and creating a stronger community. But what she does is that she like goes out of her way to help people. And that's just so important to have people like that and have mentors around that you can look up to, and if you have a question, you can ask her. She'll answer you. She is just really, just goes out of her way to, be kind and helpful, and I just find that so admirable. And she's a great instructor, she's a wonderful teacher. But when somebody just has that thing about their personality where they want to go out of their way to help people, I just find that really encouraging, really kind, and that's the kind of person that I want to support because that's the type of person I am. I want to go out of my way to help other people. That's just how I've always been, that's how I'll always be, and that's just what I'm always going to do. So when people are like me in that way, I want to celebrate them. So Allison, 2 thumbs up for your channel. You're an awesome person, and I have her channel linked below, so please go visit it. It's fantastic. She also has a Patreon as well. So since she supports so many other people, I think it'd be really kind for people to try and support her as well.
That was so much fun. Thank you so much, Maria. I really appreciate it. And I'm so happy with the review, and I wanted to share it with everybody. So everybody, go check out Maria's channel. I'll leave the link below. And she has fun. She's a really fun person to watch. And she loves to help people also. She has videos where she actually follows along with other artists, and she has them teaching on her screen, and you can watch Maria paint along with the other artists, and it's a fun video to watch. I haven't seen anybody do that before. So Maria, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and thumbs up to your channel too. And everybody go see Maria's channel. You'll really love it. Bye, Maria. Bye, everybody. Happy painting.